From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the dollar yen, and as you can see, we have rallied quite significantly during the trading session based upon the massive shot higher in risk assets in general. We have word that there is a coronavirus vaccine out there with a 90% success rate. So with that, I think that's essentially what people are freaking out about. They like the idea of this, and of course, why wouldn't they? They sold the yen, but there's a lot of noise just above. So I think really at this point, we're very likely to see a pullback from here. Yes, I understand this is a massive candlestick. The question isn't so much as to whether or not this was bullish, but whether or not this was short covering. And I think it was, because it is worth noting that we failed at the same place yet again. So if we break down below 105, I'm a seller. Looking at the Aussie dollar, we tried to rally but gave back some of the gains to form a shooting star. I think at this point the market is likely to break down. A move above 74, of course, would be a very strong sign, but really at this point I think what we're seeing here is a market that got way ahead of itself, and we're starting to see that later in the day. So a pullback from here makes sense. Could go to the 50-day EMA. I think that's your short-term target. 70 to 71, still massive support. If that ever gets broken, that's going to be very negative. Keep in mind that the RBA is suggesting negative interest rates could be coming, and unless that changes, that could eventually weigh upon the Aussie.